Can't be found. Left like some wreckage that's been shut down over sacred